In this section, we are going to understand MQTT protocol. So MQTT stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. It's a protocol used by IoT systems to communicate and transfer data from one device to another device. It's a very simple protocol. So let's start with the naming convention first, and then we will see how this protocol works. So these are the naming conventions which we are going to use throughout this protocol. So MQTT broker. So MQTT broker is a server which handles message from clients and routes these messages. So MQTT broker is simply a server which handle all the requests. Now there is another term which is MQTT client. So MQTT client can be of two types, publisher and subscriber. So let's just see what publisher and subscriber means. So publisher client sends data to MQTT broker. So MQTT broker is a server, as I told you, and subscriber client receives data from MQTT broker. Let's just go through these terminologies one more time. So MQTT broker is simply a server which handles all the requests. MQTT client can be of two types, publisher and subscriber. Publisher sends data to MQTT broker and receivers receive data from MQTT broker. Now there is another term which is topic. So topic is a term used by publisher and subscriber to identify any specific data type. So if a publisher and subscriber wants to send data, they usually use a term topic to identify that data. So it will make more sense in the animation. So let me show you in the form of animation as well. So over here you can see this is a MQTT broker, MQTT broker or MQTT server. And with this server, these are the publishers or clients which are connected with this MQTT broker. And these clients can be anything. These clients can be any microcontroller or any IoT device which can send data to the server, can become a publisher. So these are the publishers which are sending data to this server. On the other hand, these are the subscribers. So subscribers receive data from the server. So publisher sends data and subscriber receives data. And also subscribers can be anything. So subscriber can be any mobile application or any desktop application or any other microcontroller. Now there are clients which are which can act as publisher and subscriber both. So suppose there is a database which can act as a publisher and a subscriber at the same time. So database can send data to the MQTT broker, and it can also receive data from the MQTT broker. Now, as I told you, we use another term which is topic. So usually publishers publish data in a form of topics. So over here you can see publisher, over here you can see published data on topic A, and over here there is a subscriber who has subscribed for this topic A. So whenever data is published by this publisher on topic A, the data will automatically be received by this subscriber because it has subscribed on topic A. Now, subscriber can also subscribe to more than one topic. So over here you can see there is a subscriber who has subscribed for two topics, topic A and topic B. So whenever topic A and topic B, whenever the publisher will publish data on topic A and topic B, it will automatically be received by this subscriber. So this is a simple MQTT protocol. So there are basically three terminologies which you have to remember: the broker, MQTT broker, the publisher, and the subscriber. So this is what MQTT protocol is. In our next video, we are going to go further deep into this protocol, and we will see how we are going to create our publisher device and our subscriber device, and how we are going to get CAN bus data wirelessly. Thank you.